been dead, big bro, got a 9, but it should have been less. I can tell you about risking it all. If this car gets spun, then I'm looking at 10.
Tip number 1. Maximize resources. Use cinematic mode in iPhone or portrait mode in Android. Even without them, here are some tips which can really elevate your game. Tip number 2. Composition. Composition is key. Frame your shots well. Make sure the subject dominates the frame and use grid lines for alignment. Tip number 3. Camera movements. Camera movements such as pans, zooms create epic footage, but make sure your hand is stable when you're shooting it. No one likes a shaky video. Tip number 4. Lighting. Lighting is luxury. Shoot during the golden hours whenever possible, that is, the sunrise and the sunset. Do not shoot against the light and use the 45-degree rule, that is, the angle between the sun, the subject with respect to the camera. Tip number 5. Variation of shots. Always begin your video with the establishing shot and then follow up with some close-up shots, some wide-angle shots, some low angle, some high angle to break the monotony. Always remember to make the video more dynamic and more entertaining to watch. Now we come to the tip number 6, that is editing. To round off some really amazing footage, some editing is required. Things like transitions, color correction, speed ramping and text are great tools. We hope you found this video informative. See you in another one.